they take care of themselves.
I don't know the rest of the, yeah.
Tell me how to be closer to you. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about you. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear.
Oh my gosh, it was so cold in that car. I always struggle with what to wear. Like, do I wear things for hot weather when I come to BGC? Do I put on thick clothes because everywhere else has really strong aircon? I am meeting a friend for lunch, but I have some time to spare. I haven't been to BGC for ages, so I'm thinking to just walk around and maybe look at some books. Feeling a bit peckish, but if I'm gonna meet a friend for lunch, it's kind of like, maybe I should grab a snack before lunch. No, I won't. I know Krispy Kreme is very close by. Yeah, let's go to the bookstore. I'll check back with you guys later. I don't think I can film inside. So yeah, I couldn't film in the bookstore, but I ended up getting something from my mother. We saw a Crazy Rich Asians? Crazy Rich, you know the one. And my mum really liked the film, so I got her the sequel to that, the book. I think she's gonna like it. I think it's called China Rich. Man, I forgot already. I was gonna get her the whole trilogy, both of the sequels, but I don't want to jump ahead if she doesn't like it, because oftentimes the books are different from the film, so usually the books are better though. But if you guys have seen the film or read the books, let me know what you think. I liked it quite a lot. I have the first book on my phone. I prefer to read on my phone as opposed to on like a book, because I hate like accumulating things, and I read a lot, so I end up like having stacks of books that just get dusty, and it's just more things to clean and tidy, and my OCD doesn't like. So now I'm heading over to my Zen Japanese restaurant in BGC. I think it's just off of High Street. I've been there a few times. The food is really good quality. Actually, I vlogged there recently. I'm looking forward to it. I'm quite hungry. I'm also actually really sleepy. I should have had a coffee. Oh, by the way, I tried these cheese tarts. I was in Power Plant Mall in Rockwell, and there's this like cheese tart or cheese pie shop, and all they sell is cheese pies, and I'm pretty sure they only have like 2 flavors, like plain and then strawberry, and they're about like 99 pesos each or 90 pesos each, and they're like this big, but they taste so good. And I'm not even like a cheesecake fan. Oh, something really cool. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the water coming out. That sprays water, so it kind of, I think it cools people down when they're walking around. It really weirded me out the first time I noticed it, because I think it's kind of new in BGC, maybe like the last year. And the first time I noticed it, I had straightened my hair, and I was like, is it raining? My hair's gonna go curly. But no, it was just the sky, it was spitting. Walking and vlogging is quite tiring, you guys. This is serious cardio. The reason I'm not wearing my sunglasses is because you can't see my face with the glare, but then I can't really see you guys. The guy I'm meeting, his name is Omri. He makes really cool drone shots, which is how we met. I was in Hong Kong at the big Buddha statue. Ooh, this is interesting. Hi. So yeah, I was in Hong Kong at the big Buddha statue, filming just with my camera. This guy approaches me and he's like, hey, I've got a drone flying around. Do you guys, it's just me, do you want to swap footage? And I was like, okay, that sounds fantastic. And then we exchanged contact details, and he ended up living in the Philippines, which is ironic. But he lives quite close to Manila, so it's nice to catch up. It's also really hot. This is insanity. I need to take a shower before I get there. So here, this is where I'll be eating. Put you guys down for a bit. When I see people, when I start hanging out with people, I completely forget to film. And so I end up running out of footage.
You know, you can always put the camera somewhere and just film.
I want to get a bit of you in here as well, because I spoke about you. I told them how we met as well.
In the vlog.
Yeah, I said we met in Hong Kong. It's actually a really cool story, because we didn't know we both live in the Philippines, so it was actually really cool. battery is on 6%. I need to change it. I have extra batteries. Luckily, Simona thinks ahead. 2 hours later, we finish at my Zen. It was amazing. One thing I tend to do whenever I go to a good restaurant that I like, and there's a specific meal I really like, I end up always choosing the same thing over and over. And I try not to make that mistake today. We ended up getting more food, so that was nice. The food was amazing as usual. Omri, were you happy with the food?
Yeah. It was very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good choice.
And I think I overate though. But now we're gonna have some coffee.
You want me to film you?
Sorry?
You want me to film you?
Oh yeah. Thank you.
You can.
I just...
No, always ask your friends as well to film.
I feel like I'm like inconveniencing them.
Thank you.
Have you heard of a flat white?
No?
From what I know, that's an Australian, and I've never seen anywhere else in the world flat whites. So I'm not a fan of flat whites, but I have to try it now that I've seen it.
He's so tall.
This is very bad, this whole arrangement, because when you try to be good, can I please get a flat roll? Oh, sure. It's alright. Yeah. Now I have an important question for you.
Yeah.
Because you have a double espresso, do you have sugar with it? Or do you
No.
just have, well, that's a bit, like, I feel like serial killers do that sort of thing.
It depends how strong it is. Sometimes I add just a bit of brown sugar.
Ah, yeah, yeah. When I'm in Bulgaria, I'll have just... When I'm in Bulgaria, I'll have just black coffee because everyone will make fun of me for having anything with milk or sugar.
Really?
But as soon as I'm here,
It's not common to have milk in it. Really?
They're kind of like you. They're a bit more, you know. It has to be double. It has to be really
So
strong.
there is not a lot of coffee culture,
In Bulgaria,
Yeah.
huge coffee culture.
but just for black
Just
coffee.
for black. They'll have coffee. They're like, oh, I can't sleep. I'm just gonna have a quick coffee.
Thank you.
Yeah, they'll use it to like go to bed, right? Separation.
Thank you. What is it?
What's the design? I have no idea. I think it may be a swan.
Maybe
no.
a peacock.
Is that the head and that's the horns?
I think this is the head, this is wings, and this is, I don't know, some dust.
Ah, okay. I'm really excited to try this because I haven't had a flat white outside of Australia. So rare, but it should be quite thick and cream. That is so strong. I think that's a double sugar as well. Oh my gosh. It's quite good though, but man. So fast forward like a few hours later, I'm with Ziri. Ziri and I are heading to, Ziri and I are heading to Dr. Wine. Actually, you guys corrected me. The restaurant that's above Dr. Wine, or the bar, whatever it is, it's called something else, but the building is the Dr. Wine building. I forgot what the restaurant is called. But we're meeting Omri there. Hey?
Are we leaving?
Maybe like another 45 minutes? No, maybe like 5 minutes. We're kind of going to do a loop.
Okay.
Should we have taken a grab?
No.
This is good because then we can be hungry when we get there. It feels far, but it's not far.
It's a good workout.
It is a good workout. I'm gonna check back with you guys a little later because I am out of breath. I can't talk. Somewhere here, where is it? Somewhere over there. So we just have to do a loop. I take Ziri out for a nice quiet evening and she starts working.
Should I say sorry?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
It's so bright. And the camera is suddenly on an angle. Hello. Very amazing and thank you. Oh yes, it's like a photo shoot. Hang on, it's a bit
Overexposed.
Yeah.
Maybe now?
Yeah, better.
I called everyone one by one, put their details.
You can't really see your faces, so don't worry.
I've been in your waters. I'm looking for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
Just eat.
Oh my, look at her hand.
Damn girl, you finished it.
You haven't eaten your dinner yet.
I haven't eaten even my lunch yet.
Oh my god, you?
Anything. I told you this is what I ate. Nothing. No, I was so busy all day.
Hashtags that will be
Simona, are you
relevant.
vlogging right
Yes.
When this is your account? No, go back to your account.
We're learning right now from the professional.
Wait, this is touch? Wait.
Or you typing something and then...
Tags that are on your own level.
Oh my gosh.
Everyone puts Indonesia. I'm going to Indonesia. I will snap a picture of the beach. I will put Indonesia.
Like me.
And
Yeah.
I will vanish between all the pictures. You understand?
Dolphins.
Hey,
I
are you the
I
father?
like the attention.
So you're the father.
Oh, you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful.
Would you like me to take you home? Yes. Oh my god, I'll be happy to.
So beautiful.
She doesn't like me. She was sleeping with me only.
They take care of themselves.
Razmenya. I don't know the rest of the I don't know the rest of the lyrics without insulting anyone. Aww.
I own cats in California.
I don't understand him at all.
That's where you want the cat.
So who's the cat? Who's the cat?
She has no name yet.
Yeah, we need to.
Or it should be the, like, do you watch Game of Thrones? Do you watch Game of Thrones?
Game of Thrones, yeah.
You know, like the no name, the people with the no names? Yep.
That's
There you go.
it.
There you go.
No name.
No name.
She has no name.
That could be her name. What's her name? No name.
No name.
They won't know. They'll be like,
Simona.
they'll be like, you need to give her a name. You'll be like, it's no name.
No name.
Oh, that was so cute.
Oh my god. I'll check if it will fit my bag.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
you can bring her with you. She does fit.
Oh,
She's so friendly. Look at her.
How
poor
old
thing.
is
She's
she?
she's
8 weeks
probably
old.
8 weeks?
she's probably overwhelmed
Is
with
she
everybody.
big for 8 weeks? I'm not.
She's ginormous. She's fully. This is her full size, right?
No. Hey, oh yeah.
I'm
It's
not
full
into
grown already.
cat.
Yeah.
Oh,
Do you like my haircut?
it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's kind
It took me almost
So
3 hours.
fashionable.
Luckily, she doesn't go to school because she would be bullied.
Yeah. That took 3 hours to cut her hair.
Wow.
You
Did she?
give
Was she?
her a name.
She wouldn't stop moving when I was
Okay, give her a name right now.
You give her a name.
You give her a name.
Okay.
She has no name.
Okay. I'm gonna give you a bunch of ideas. You just feel free to reject everything.
Girl.
Girly.
Like something with gray.
What about 50 Shades?
50 Shades.
Because
You
she's grey.
just left her.
What's her name?
Here,
50 Shades.
all
Or
alone.
Christian Grey.
She's
Or
so
Oh, Gray.
sad.
Yeah, your name's Gray.
Her name is Gray? I thought her name is Black. But her name is Gray. Oh my god.
I don't understand cats at all. Like,
where did Omri go? Did he fall
like
asleep?
their attitude
bathroom?
is so different.